Hello kids, how are you today? Yes, I hope you are fine. Today we are going to study about things and quantifiers. Dalam kata benda terdapat dua jenis, yaitu benda yang dapat dihitung dan benda yang tidak dapat dihitung. Kita lihat contohnya. Oke, ada dua jenis kata benda. As I told you before, there are two kinds of nouns. The first is countables and the second is uncountables. Countables adalah kata benda yang dapat kita hitung. Contohnya, burger, sandwich, hot dog, cherry, apple, grapes, orange, and etc. What about countables? Uncountables adalah kata benda yang tidak dapat dihitung. Ya, kita lihat contohnya: bread, fruit, juice, meat, rice, cereal, milk, coffee, and tea. Dan masih banyak lagi ya. Oke. But we can count it by using quantifiers. Kita dapat menghitung uncountables atau benda yang tidak dapat dihitung dengan menggunakan alat ukur atau quantifiers. Contohnya, kita lihat ya. Nah, ada beberapa benda yang dapat kita pakai sebagai alat ukur dari sebuah benda tersebut atau benda yang tidak dapat dihitung atau uncountable nouns. Quantifiers yang pertama adalah cans. Cans adalah kaleng. Bags adalah kantong. Yang ketiga adalah jars. Jars adalah toples. Lanjut, yang keempat, karton, bottles, botol, jug adalah kendi. Nah, alat-alat ukur ini mengukur uncountable nouns. Ya. Oke, cans bisa dipakai untuk soda. Lalu apa lagi? Tuna, sardines. Okay, what about bags? We can use bags to put some fruits or vegetables. Okay, jars, we can put it candies. Carton, we can use it for count eggs. Bottles, maybe water, juice, or milk. And jug, we can use juice too, or oil. Okay, next. Part B, let's see. On part B, ask and answer. How to ask and how to answer. Number 1. What do we need from the supermarket? We need a carton of eggs and a jug of water. Apa yang kita butuhkan dari supermarket? Kita membutuhkan sekarton telur dan sekendi air. Yang kedua, apa yang kita butuhkan dari supermarket? Kita membutuhkan sekaleng sup dan beberapa botol jus. Oke, lanjut ya. Part C, we can see the dialogue between Jeff and his mom. Okay, let's see, read and listen. Jeff, please go to the supermarket. Okay, what do we need? We need 6 cans of soda and jar of honey. Okay, do you want grape soda or orange soda? 6 cans of orange soda. Okay, 6 cans of orange soda and a jar of honey. Is that all? Yes, it is. Here's some money. Hey mom, there are bottles of soda on sale. Do you want cans or bottles? Bottles are fine. The cheaper, the better. Okay, the candy is on sale too. Can I get big bag of candy? No, but you can get one small bag. Great. See you soon. Okay, let's see on the blue words. What do we need? We need 6 cans of soda and jar of honey. Oke, lihat ya. Di kalimat di sini, kalau dia jumlahnya 6, kita tambahkan S di akhir kata tersebut. 6 cans. Bukannya 6 can, tapi 6 cans. Yang ditambahkan di quantifiernya, oke? Of soda and a jar of honey. Dan di sini hanya 1, jadi jarnya tidak perlu ditambahkan S. Paham sampai sini? Dan kita tambahkan E sebagai penanda bahwa jumlahnya hanya 1. A jar of honey. Oke, sampai sini paham? Kita lanjut ke halaman selanjutnya. Part B. There are 3 questions as a summary of dialogue. Complete the sentences. Jeff moms needs 6 what? 6 cans. Write it on your book. Of soda and a jar of honey. Ditulis ya di bukunya. The bottles of orange soda are on sale. 3. Jeff wants a big bag of what? Candy. Good. But he can only have one small bag of candy. Okay, in part E, we can fill the blank words on the dialogue. Look and say. Blah blah blah. We from the blah blah blah. What do we need from the supermarket? Lalu jawabnya, we need a tube of butter and a bag of beans. Is that all? No, it isn't. We also need a jar of mayonnaise. Nah, di sini ada kalimat tub of butter, butter, ya, and a bag of beans. Okay, if you want to count the butter, you can use tub as a quantifier, and beans you can use bag as a quantifiers. What about mayonnaise? You can use a jar as a quantifiers. Don't forget to see the green box as your guide. How to ask, how to answer, how to receive the answer or reject the answer. Okay, part F. Picture prompts. As usually, we can make a dialogue using these pictures. Okay, number 1. There are 2 pictures, bread and eggs. If you want to count the bread, you can use love as a quantifiers, and eggs If you want to count it, you can use carton as your quantifiers. Number 2, cereals. You can use box as a quantifiers. Tuna, you can use cans as a quantifier, and ketchup, you can use bottle as a quantifiers. Okay, you can see by yourself. And next, how to make the sentences. Okay, let's see. Number 1. What do we need from the supermarket? We need a loaf of bread and a carton of eggs. Because bread is only one, you can use a, and because the quantifiers of x is only one, you can use a. Number 2, what do we need from the supermarket? We need a box of cereal. Sorry, di situ ada huruf C-nya ya. Yang benar adalah box, B-O-X, without C. Box of cereal, 3 cans of tuna, and a box of ketchup. Ya, kita lihat di sini ada 3 kaleng tuna. Jadi kalimat yang di sini adalah 3 cans. 3 kaleng. Cans-nya kita tambahkan S karena jumlah kalengnya ada 3. Kalau jumlahnya 1, kita tambahkan E saja. Tapi karena di sini cans-nya ada 3, kita gunakan S di belakang huruf can-nya. Lalu, and a box of ketchup. Karena hanya 1 botol, jadi kita hanya tambahkan E. Oke, menandakan jumlahnya hanya 1, sebuah, sebotol, sekaleng. Oke, nomor 3. What do we need from the supermarket? We need a jar of jam and a bag of rice. Kami membutuhkan setoples selai dan sekantong nasi atau beras. Ya, kita lihat ya contoh kalimatnya. Oke, kita ke nomor selanjutnya. Number 4. What do we need from the supermarket? We need a carton of milk, 4 boxes of juice, and a bar of chocolate. Okay, milk, we can use a carton as a quantifiers, not only glass or bottle, but we can use carton as a quantifiers. Kita bisa menggunakan karton sebagai alat ukur dalam kata benda susu. Lanjut, 4 boxes of juice, 4 kotak jus, lalu a bar of chocolate. A bar adalah sebatang coklat. Okay. Number 5. What do we need from the supermarket? We need a bottle of water and 2 bags of potato chips. Kami membutuhkan sebotol air dan 2 kantong kentang goreng. Oke ya. Nah, lanjut nomor 6. What do we need from the supermarket? We need a jug of apple juice, a pack of cookies, and a tub of ice cream. Kami membutuhkan a jug adalah sekendi jus apel, sekantong biskuit, dan 1 bag ice cream. Oke, sampai sini paham ya? Kita lanjut ke halaman selanjutnya. Part G, read and answer the questions. Okay, we can read the text before. Dear diary, next week I'm going camping with my dad and grandpa. I'm excited. I love camping. We go fishing every morning. We go hiking every afternoon. and we cook over a campfire every night. It's great. I love going to the supermarket before the camping trip. Grandpa, Dad, and I always go together. We buy a lot of food. We buy cookies, boxes of cereals, and big bags of candy. We also get hot dogs, cans of beans, and bags of potatoes. This year, Grandpa is going to teach me how to cook. I want to learn how to cook hot dogs and potatoes on the campfire. Grandpa is the best cook in the world. Ben. Okay, who wrote this diary? Ben. Sekarang kita artikan ya. Next week, I'm going camp with my dad and grandpa. Minggu depan, aku akan pergi bercamping bersama ayahku dan kakekku. I'm excited. Saya sangat bersemangat. I love camping. Aku sangat senang berkemah. We go fishing every morning. Kami memancing setiap pagi. We go hiking every afternoon. Kami pergi mendaki setiap sore. And we cook over a campfire every night. Dan kami memasak pada malam hari. It's great, sangat luar biasa. I love going to the supermarket because a camping trip. Aku sangat senang pergi ke supermarket sebelum berkemah. Grandpa and I always go together. Kakek, ayah, dan saya selalu pergi bersama-sama. We buy a lot of food. Kami membeli banyak sekali makanan. We buy cookies. Kami membeli biskuit, boxes of cereals, sekotak sereal, and big bags of candy, dan sekantong permen yang besar. We also get hot dogs, cans of beans, and bags of potatoes. Kami juga membeli hot dogs, sekaleng of beans, sekaleng banyak sekali kaleng kacang, dan sekantong atau lebih dari satu ya, berkantong-kantong kentang. This year, Grandpa is going to teach me how to cook. Tahun ini, kakekku akan mengajarkanku bagaimana caranya memasak. I want to learn how to cook hot dogs and potatoes. Aku ingin belajar bagaimana memasak hot dogs dan kentang di perkemahan nanti. Kakekku adalah koki yang terbaik di dunia, Ben. Oke, setelah kamu tahu artinya, kita akan jawab pertanyaan 1 sampai 4. Okay, number 1. What is Ben going to do next week? He is going camping with his dad and his grandpa. Next, number 2. What do they buy at the supermarket? A. A loaf of bread. B. Bottles of water. C. Cans of beans. D. Cartons of milk. Which one? A, B, C, or D? C. Cans of beans. Number 3. What do they do every afternoon while they are camping? They go hiking every afternoon when they are camping. Number 4. What is Ben going to learn how to do this here? A. He's going to learn how to fish. B. He's going to learn how to cook. C. He's going to learn how to go shopping. Which one? Yes, B. He's going to learn how to cook. Okay, part H and part I. as your task. Nah, di bagian H ini kalian menuliskan quantifiers di setiap uncountable noun. Contoh, nomor 1, a jug of grape juice. Nah, kamu tulis quantifiersnya. Grape juice kita bisa gunakan a jug of. Lalu kalau sudah, kita bikin kalimatnya di sebelahnya. Number 1, we need a jug of grape juice and a carton of eggs. Lalu nomor 2 juga, X. Kira-kira quantifiersnya apa? A jug of, or a box of, or a carton of. Kamu pilih yang sesuai dengan uncountable nouns-nya, lalu nanti kamu tulis di nomor 2-nya. Begitu juga sampai bawah, kamu taruh di nomor 5. Oke, kalau nggak sampai nomor 5 berarti sesuai dengan uncountables-nya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Berarti number 1 until number 10. We need a jug of grape. Itu ya tugasnya ya. Oke, untuk bagian I juga sebagai tugas kamu tulis di buku PS Bahasa Inggris, lalu kamu tulis kalimatnya. Bagian A, B-nya kamu juga tulis. Lalu garisi yang mana jadi jawabannya. Oke, gambarnya nggak usah digambar, kamu tulis saja. Oke, I think that's all about your materi, how to count uncountable nouns by using quantifiers. Goodbye, kids.